Ladies and gentlemen, good morning and a very warm welcome to the third edition of MachineCon US 2025.
It's not just the conversation that they had on stage, it was the side conversations that we had after. And to learn from each other, I think that's the real value I got out of today.
It's been fun. It's been good to meet a lot of people. Our panel was interesting, hearing the other folks on the panel as well as some of the other speakers has been good.
It's a small conference with really selected people, so it was good networking event.
An exciting event, but also cozy. You're having a lot of meaningful interactions and, detailed conversations.
I feel that the networking here, talking to the people here, I have been invaluable.